Hey, welcome to another Valley Forged. Been a pretty rough weekend around here for me. Instead of telling you, I will just read it from the man himself, Leo Q. Hey everyone, I've been putting off this post update because I wasn't sure how to break the news to everyone. After a lot of thought, I regret to inform you that we've stopped development on the GalvoMATIC. That's the Roly GalvoMATIC. And that I'll be winding down Roly Automation over the next year or so. Keep that in mind. We'll be refunding all GalvoMATIC pre-order customers their $100 deposits over the next 2 weeks. If you've ordered a GalvoMATIC, please check your inbox. Why did we decide to stop development? It was mostly due to personal and family health reasons. Given that we have a small team, developing a product as complex as the GalvoMATIC, which it was, is a very demanding, sometimes grueling process. After a health issue popped up in June, I found it difficult to approach this work with the rigor it requires. After struggling with it for some time, I recently concluded that I just don't have the energy or time to deliver a refined and polished product for our customers. The laser engraver market is very competitive space and demands continuous all-in effort. And since we can no longer be all in, we've decided to stop. In hopes that someone else can make use of the work done so far, we've open sourced the GalvoMATIC PCB schematics and Clipper-based firmware on GitHub. Also, LaserMATIC MK3 and MK2 XW are now on clearance pricing on our website. We are still committed to the 1-year warranty and will have an excess of spare parts stocked. Although we won't be able to provide live video tech support beyond the next couple of months, email-based support will be available for the next 12 months. All right, so that is what we got from Leo. There have been so many posts on Facebook about this, so you can go to the Facebook group and look up everything. Obviously, very devastating news for me. Although I never wanted this channel to be about any one laser or laser companies, if I ever was to do so, it hands down would have been Roly. You know, everybody knows I've said so many things about it, and my love for the company and the way that I felt like they were doing everything right was very important to me. And the same reasons why Leo was so successful with Roly is his dedication and the fact that he did so many of the things himself. And obviously when that breaks down, or hey, if you burn out or things become difficult, health reasons, if you are the show, you know, it is going to take its toll. Anything else I could say is speculation. Would I still buy one of these Roly LaserMATICs? Absolutely. I gave it some thought here over the weekend, and some people have already asked me. And I still think, especially for the prices that it is right now, it is the best deal on the market. I personally just absolutely love the XW myself. All the machines are fantastic, but having tried them all, the 30-watt XW was just so nice for me. I just really, really enjoyed it. And I wasn't that... I should let you guys know that he put up a post saying they've ordered spare parts for the LaserMATICs. So, you know, I think if you buy it at least for the next year during the warranty, you're going to be fine. It's a fantastic machine. So, you know, I'm still recommending it. But everybody needs to make their own decisions. As far as the GalvoMATIC, of course I was looking forward to testing it, and I'm always loving new things coming out with lasers. But if I'm to be completely honest, I wasn't that much looking forward to the GalvoMATIC just because I'm not a Galvo person, I mean, if I think it's fine, it's cool, it's nice to have, but the majority of my work happens on at least a 30 to 40 watt diode laser or more. But if as far as spot size goes, the 30 watts was just so perfect for most everything that I did. So 30 or 40 watts, I was really looking forward to the MK3 more than the GalvoMATIC. I know that sounds probably crazy to a lot of people out there. The XW to me is already so close to perfect that just those few little upgrades. And if anybody out there is going to take over and make an MK3, I would certainly love to help in any way that I can. I think that it's already so beautiful. The case is already so nice, and and everything about it just works, right? That the only few things that they needed to upgrade was being able to turn the fan off when it's not working, so that it would be silent in the background. Making the module so you didn't have to clean it so much, closer to some of the newer lasers. That's really, I mean, there really wasn't much to it, right? I mean, it's a nearly perfect machine, and it's so beautiful. And that is, yeah, and for the price, even the way that it is still so amazing. So on the other side, I realize there is so much competition, and I made a video about this earlier this year that I expected to see some players leave the market. Of course, I would have never wanted it to be Roly because they're the best. But I understand it. They don't, Leo has, one other person, I believe, helping him out. And the team is very, very, very small. And so Dimitri is helping him out. So the team is very small overall. And I can see where if you lose anything in that, it's going to be a huge problem. It's also what made it so special and amazing. So yeah, it's a tough one to take. There is no second best, in my opinion. There's just none. There's a lot of other great companies on, but they're companies. They're these huge things, and they just don't respond the way that Roly does. And so in my heart, there's just nothing to replace that. And it really, since I am so invested into the laser system, it's just something that I love. I take it very personally that something so wonderful that existed in this space is going to go away. Your God, your family, there's more important things to people around you. There's more important things in this world than lasers, but it still is something that I really enjoy being part of, and I love to see getting better and innovating, and it's a fun space to be in. But this is definitely makes me sad. So I also wanted to thank Rich, Louisiana hobby guy, who first introduced me to the LaserMATIC and to Leo. It has been, an honor and a pleasure to promote the products, and I don't for 1 second feel bad about doing that. In the future, if somebody else takes over and can do anywhere close to the job that Leo did, I would be very, very happy to help. And I do want to support more creators that are maybe not big, huge corporations. Nothing wrong with these corporations. And as we can see, they serve a purpose for having that redundancy. And there's some good ones out there, but you're just not going to get that same personal service anymore. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Everybody has to make their decisions on how they go forward with this. I will be making a video eventually saying, hey, okay, now without that being available, what should we do? There are a lot of other things that will come on the market before Christmas, and we'll just kind of do our best to fill in the gaps where possible. It's big shoes to fill. So thank you, everybody. Like, subscribe, all that, and I will be updating you. Head over to the Facebook. I am going to put that link below. I'm not a big Facebook person. I don't spend a lot of time on it, but this was kind of important, so I decided to kind of dig into it and see what people were saying. There's lots of people panicking, and there's also lots of people giving their love and thanks to the team. And if you want to go over and drop some love, that will be great. And then, of course, you can get your feelings on, how support will go and, all those sorts of things. So that's all I'm going to say in this one. It wasn't the video I was planning on making, so that will come out in a couple of days. But I just wanted to bring this up to everybody. And again, thank you, Leo and Roly LaserMATIC, for all you've done for everyone in the laser space and giving us a lot of motivation, really just showing how that it can be done and it can be done correctly. So thank you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all.